10 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service Kent State College has issued a flash flood watch for a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Columbia, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. Until 10 p.m. this evening, slow-moving thunderstorms will bring locally very heavy rain of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Rainfall totals in a few locations may exceed 3 inches. Portions of the watch area, specifically locations in northern Schuylkill County near Tamaqua, Shenandoah, Mahanoy City, and Tuscarora, received between 2 and 4 inches of rain late Monday. The ground in this area isn't capable of holding more than an inch of rain falling within a period of an hour before significant runoff and an increasing threat for flash flooding develops. Review flood safety and preparedness information at weather.gov/safety/flood. Service Kent State College has issued a flash flood watch for a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Columbia, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. Until 10 p.m. this evening, slow-moving thunderstorms will bring locally very heavy rain of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Rainfall totals in a few locations may exceed 3 inches. Portions of the watch area, specifically locations in northern Schuylkill County near Tamaqua, Shenandoah, Mahanoy City, and Tuscarora, received between 2 and 4 inches of rain late Monday. The ground in this area isn't capable of holding more than an inch of rain falling within a period of an hour before significant runoff and an increasing threat for flash flooding. Review flood safety and preparedness information at weather.gov/safety/flood.